Hey all, this is Party Wear Sarees video number 2. So in this also we are seeing a fusion of different kind of sarees. So we'll start with the video. So the first one is the most famous and hit collection saree. This is the black triangle saree that we have already have gone in crazy hit. So still we have some pieces left in stock on more demand from the customers. So this is the black triangle saree. Okay, there is a picture of it also, me wearing. I have already posted. Who did not find, if anybody did not find that saree picture image with the reference, you can message me. So this is a black triangle saree with full zari weaving triangle design with the pattu pink color border on both the sides. So this is absolutely a beautiful party wear saree or semi party wear also you can wear, that depends on your selection. So this is how it looks. Nice black triangle saree. This is with full zari weaving triangles on the body, and the pattu pink borders, 4-inch pattu pink border on both the sides you'll be getting. So this is the black triangle saree. This is the brocade pink color pattu pink color brocade blouse you'll be getting here. Okay, and the blouse also is in the pattu border, so that is the most beautiful part. Yes, full brocade weaving pattu pink blouse you'll be getting. So this is the blouse part. So the blouse is not in the black color. In the reference image you can find it in the black color, but that's not in the black color. Yes, you can see here. So this is full brocade weaving pink color pattu blouse. This is, so this is how it is. Black triangle saree. The price is 2950. Only few pieces left in stock. You can take a look of it. So this is how it looks. Saree with the blouse. Okay, the price is 2950. Black triangle saree. This is saree number 1. Next idane cheppanu. So the next one is full silver zari weaving. This is monochrome saree. In this monochrome we have seen some pastel pink, green and blue, but all those sarees are not in stock. Only silver is in stock. Silver is also one of the best selling saree then. Silver also we have limited quantity. This is a very soft and full monochrome full you will be getting it in the silver zari with self weaving. So if you see here, so this is the weaving pattern, horse, peacock, elephant, and a full on the silver background you will be getting the zari work with the full silver zari weaving only. And the blouse also you'll be getting it in the silver color. So it is, you can also wear a contrast blouse if you have. You can wear it with royal blue work blouse, pink work blouse. You'll be anyways having, okay, you'll be anyways having pattu sarees with you. So any of the blouse you can use with this saree. This will look very unique and very good for the party wear collections. So this is how it is, and you will be getting a colorful tassels for the saree at the end. So these are the colorful tassels. So in the tassels there is a pink color tassel. So you can wear it. You can wear a pink work maggam work blouse that you would have already have with you. So this is silver monochrome color saree. The price is 2950. The cloth is Banaras soft silk. This is completely soft silk and very easy to carry as well. Okay, next. So the next one is in the lemon yellow with the blue color combination with full silver zari weaving. Okay, this is how it is. Banaras zari weaving saree, silver zari weaving. So this also we have sold a good number of sarees. See how beautiful it is. Both are very nice and bright colors. Lemon yellow with the blue color, sea blue color combination with the silver zari weaving you will be getting. Full. The price of this is also 2550. Okay. I have only 2 pieces left in stock. Okay, this is how it is. Nice lemon yellow with the sea blue color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, it is not too glazy because of the light. Maybe you are feeling like that. It is not really too glazy. It is a very subtle with nice shine on the saree. This is the pallu with the blue color on the silver zari weaving. And the blouse you will be getting it in the blue brocade. It's a very beautiful blouse. So you'll be getting the blouse in the, on blue color with the silver zari tinge, silver zari weaving. So it is showing it as a dual color. So this is one saree. This is a saree with pallu, lemon yellow with the blue color, Banarasi zari weaving saree. The price is 2550. Next is one more Banarasi pretty Banarasi saree, white silver with the baby pink color combination. So yeah, this is how it is. On one part you'll be getting on one side of the border you'll be getting like this silver with the small border on one side. So this particular small line adds so much of beauty to the saree. Silver with the baby pink color combination. The pallu is also in the baby pink color zari weaving. Okay, baby pink color zari weaving. So this is how it is. Okay. Blouse you'll be getting it in the pink blouse with silver brocade work you'll be getting. So this is how it is. Okay. So this is silver with the baby pink color combination. Absolutely very classy color combination this is. Okay. The price of this is also the price of this is also 2550. This is how it looks. Very beautiful when you put it on the steps also. The price is 2550. Okay. Next saree. Next is also soft Banarasi saree. See, this pattern you would have seen already. It is a very famous and a hit design. Okay. The price of this is also 2550. This is violet with the pink color combination. Small border of the magenta pink border you will be getting here, and this is the elephant design, elephant and a horse design you will be getting it with the silver zari. So this is the one soft Banarasi silk saree with the silver zari weaving. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the blouse. Blouse you will be getting it with the silver lines. This is a checked blouse you will be getting, checked blouse with the silver zari weaving. Okay, okay, so this is how it is. Nice violet dark purple color with the pink color combination. This is the blouse and this is the saree. Saree is also very rich. So in this you will get the imitation sarees as well with little less quality. So these are soft Banarasi and very good quality sarees. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu. So this is the pallu design you will be getting. Okay, the price of this is also 2550. In this I have two best selling colors. One is purple with the pink color combination, another one is a black with the pink color combination. This is purple with the pink. The price is 2550. Banaras soft silk saree. The next one is a very pretty black with the pink color combination. Black with the pink color combination with silver saree. Okay. Okay, so this is how it is. Black with the pink color combination, the same kind of border and same zari. One is purple violet, another this is black and pink. So this is how it is. This small border on both the sides at the end, one small inch border that adds lot of beauty to the saree. You can see, imagine this without, it looks little dull. So this pink color combination, it really looks very rich. Silver zari combination on both the sides. This is how it looks. Black with the pink color combination. Blouse. These are soft silk, the same design you have got on little less quality saree also. These are new collection directly from the mill you will be getting from the production unit. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the contrast pink color. This is also very soft and the thickness of the material also you will have little thick because the quality is very good and it is very soft as well. So this is the border you will be getting, small border and the zari lines here for the blouse. So this is the saree with the blouse. I think it is good. So this is the saree with the blouse you will be getting, black and pink. Soft Banarasi saree. The price of this is also 2550. This is the pallu you will be getting, nice silver zari toned pallu. Okay, this is how it is, black with the pink color combination. The price is 2550. Next is Chanderi Banarasi saree with the Chanderi mix in the cream color combination. Cream with the pink color combination. This also we have sold a good number of pieces and only we have 2 pieces left here. Okay, this is how it is. Black with the pink color combination. This is the design you will be getting. See the design with the cross lines with the Krishna Nemali Pincham buttas you will be getting. This is a very simple and a very elegant saree. This is Chanderi Banaras. Okay, this is how it looks. See how beautiful. So this cream and pink, it will be very light and this is a very subtle color and also at the same time very classy. And if you go with a good, very good selection of jewelry on this saree, it looks really good. So in this you will be getting this zari weaving. This is antique zari weaving. So this is the blouse. Blouse is the highlight part for this saree. Blouse you will be getting it in the brocade blouse with the pink color weaving. This is also antique zari weaving. It gives a very good shine. So this is the saree with the blouse. So the blouse when you wear it gives a very good shine because the blouse is in the pattu pink brocade zari weaving. So the pallu also you will be getting in the brocade weaving. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Both pallu and the blouse are the same. So this is how it looks. Cream Chanderi Banaras. So this is also lightweight. So this is how it looks. The price is 2750. This is Chanderi Banaras. And the special mention, I have included some beautiful sarees from our best selling gowns. Most of the people ask request to give them as the sarees as well. So I'm just showing you how the saree looks. So this particular saree, you would have seen that the blue gown saree, this is from my page. That's the best selling and most of the pages are also copied this blue gown design as well. Okay, this is the royal blue color saree. Okay, royal blue color saree with the silver zari weaving. This is the border you will be getting for the saree. Nice horse design with the trees on the silver zari border, and on the body you will be getting the small buttas peacock with the circle designs. Okay, this is silver. As a saree also you can wear it. It's a very beautiful and it's a party wear saree. And the blouse you will be getting it with the plain blouse with the small border you will be getting. So this is also monochrome kind of saree. Plain blouse you will be getting. So this is the plain blouse, they say. So you can this is the saree with the full silver zari weaving. The price of this is also 2550. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. So this is the saree. This is the pallu. Pallu is in with the full silver zari weaving. Okay, the price of this is 2550. Royal blue saree. In the same pattern you have burgundy saree. This is little different design. The texture is smoother than that of the saree, that of the blue saree. So this is the design you will be getting at the border, and this is the design you will be getting it with the, this is antique zari, this is the silver zari. You will be getting it alternatively in the design. So this is burgundy saree, burgundy with silver zari weaving. The blouse you will be getting it in the plain burgundy color, plain burgundy color with the small border. You will be getting the blouse. This is also very soft silk Banaras, and also it has got a very good shine as it is shown in the video. Okay, this is how it is. Banarasi saree with antique gold and silver zari weaving. Both the zari weavings you will be getting. So this is how it is. The price of this is also 2550. Okay, this is how it looks. Pallu chupichana. So okay, the price of this is also 2550. Soft Banarasi silk sarees. Next is also one of the best selling gowns, silver with the turquoise green color or turquoise blue color border. So this is a silver full complete silver zari weaving saree. The blouse you will be getting it in the contrast color in the sea blue or turquoise green color combination. So this is a very rich and party wear saree color. So the price of this is 2150. Okay, you'll be getting a small border on one side and little big border on the other side. This is also very easy to carry and also very lightweight. The price of this is also 2150. This is how it looks. Silver zari with the turquoise green color combination, and the pallu is also in the green color. Nice, the same kind of shine you will be getting for the saree. Okay, the price is 2150 for this. Silver with the turquoise green color, or you can blue, anything you can term it as. Okay, the price is 2150. This is a Banarasi Paithani design saree in the black color with full gold zari weaving. This is also very lightweight color, lightweight it is. This particular design is called the Paithani design style. This is not original Paithani saree. This is a Banarasi mix, semi Banarasi Paithani saree, you can term it as. You can, on the body you will be getting a very big zigzag design. You can drape it. If you drape it, it looks very good. So this floral border comes on the shoulder. Blouse you will be getting the plain blouse with the big border to the hands you will be getting. This is a plain blouse with the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2150. Okay, this is how it looks. Banarasi Paithani design saree This is the pallu. Pallu also you will be getting it in the nice silver, antique gold zari weaving. Okay, the price of this is 2150. Nice Banarasi zigzag design with the Paithani border style. This is how it looks, very rich, and also this also comes under party wear saree. You can just get it for 2150. Next is the most favorite and a hit design saree. This is linen saree, floral linen saree. This is okay, floral linen. It's very lightweight when compared to all those when I wear. So it's very lightweight and very easy to carry. This is semi party wear saree. You'll be getting the antique gold weaving on both the side on the border, and the body of the saree is in the linen cloth. So this is the blouse you will be getting. So the blouse is in the floral design in the black combination. Okay, this is the saree and this is the blouse. Okay, this is a very beautiful lightweight, and you can wear it as for the casual parties or semi party wear sarees also. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 2150. The price of this is 2150 antana. Yes. So for the pallu kada. For the pallu you will be getting nice shiny antique zari weaving with cute tassels you will be getting. I pen blouse color. The price of this is 2150. Linen floral saree. This is the linen floral saree. Okay. Yes. Next. Last time. Okay. Yeah, this is again one of our best selling saree. Make it as a lehenga, gown or a saree. It is one of the best and the top sellers because of the richness and the cloth quality for this saree. So this is the saree. I'll be showing you the saree overview. So this full zari, big patta zari with the nice golden zari finishing you'll be getting, and this is the body of the saree. Okay, rich. It is very rich with the maroon color border. Blouse you will be getting a brocade blouse, brocade red color blouse. So this is how it looks. On both the sides you will be getting a zari border. Here you will be getting it with the small border, and here you will be getting it with the big border. So this is how it looks. Yeah, you can wear it on a single pleat as well. Okay, this is a very rich and party wear saree. This is the richness is because of the border it is carrying on both the ends of the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. Very beautiful and the best selling saree it is in this Banaras collections. Yeah, this is completely a party wear saree, nothing less than or nothing less equal to a pure pattu saree as well. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2150. Nice brocade weaving, a beautiful pallu you will be getting here. So yeah, this is how it is. Nice elephant pallu you will be getting all over the saree. Okay, this is the original shine which you are seeing here. Okay, the price of this is 2150. Banarasi Kanjivaram style zari weaving saree. Okay, yes. Borders were too much. Blue, blue. So the next one is also Banaras zari weaving sarees in the ink blue color combination with the light purple borders. So this is also same that style of saree only. Okay, ink blue color with the purple pink combination. Oksar blouse petition. So you will be getting a brocade blouse for this. Nice brocade pink color gold zari weaving. It's very rich, rich saree. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is saree with the blouse. This is how it looks with this side. So for this you will be getting a horizontal lines zari weaving saree, and this is the border. This is the border with the full zari weaving in the purple pink, light purple color, ink blue with the light purple color combination. This is how it looks. Yeah, ink blue with the purple color combination saree. The price of this is also 2150. In this we have two more colors. This is ink blue with the purple combination, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part with the full gold zari weaving. So ink blue with the cross lines pattern. So on single layer also it looks very beautiful and very rich. Okay, you can happily wear these sarees for the any function or any parties or weddings at just 2150 only. So the next one is a bride kind of saree, bride color combination saree. Bride will wear the saree, pelli kuturu kind of saree. This is a light beige color with a light pink, light magenta pink color combination. Blouse pette. So you will be getting a brocade blouse for this saree as well. So with that blouse when you wear, you will feel very good. I mean, like it enhances the richness of the saree. So this is the saree. The beige color you can see from one here. Beige color with the light pink color combination. This is how it is. So again the cross line zari weaving and zari weaving pattern on the border. So with the beige color combination also we have sold lot of sarees and a very beautiful dresses also we have made. Okay, this is how it looks. Light beige color with the pink color combination. Because the blouse has come in the contrast color, it adds more beauty to the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the pattu pink color with the golden zari finishing. The price of this is also 2150. Beige with the pink color combination. The last saree kada? Last saree for this video in the same pattern in the black with the pink color combination. Black with the magenta pink color combination. Enti? No. Black with the magenta pink color combination. So black zari cross lines you will be getting. So this is the border you will be getting for this. Okay. Blouse. This is the brocade pink blouse you will be getting. This is also a very rich saree. Just that you have to pick the choice of your color, your favorite color. All the sarees are equally rich and very good looking and party wear kind of sarees. So this is black with the pink color combination. You will be getting the brocade zari weaving blouse like this in the contrast color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, yes. This is in the black with the pink color combination. On both the sides you'll be getting zari weaving. So for the saree you can look it like this. So this is how it looks, with full golden zari weaving, rich golden zari weaving. In golden zari weaving also there will be a lot of qualities, because the zari weaving is very good. You will get very you are seeing a very good shine on the sarees. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu, is also in the full brocade pink, pattu pink color with the full zari weavings. This is the pallu, and this is the saree how it looks. Okay, with this we are ending with this second video for the party wear sarees as well. Yes, whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message the choice of their color and the choice of their combination saree. Hope you have liked this video as well with this collection. I'll come up with more party wear collection sarees as well. We are coming up with affordable collections, and also all ranges of collection, all ranges of people and their needs also I'm trying to cover. So yes, thank you so much.